pigment of our skin to produce what? Melanin. That's why patients with primary hypofunction, because they have increased ACTH, so increase din yung MSH nila. That's why patients have what? Darkening of the skin or bronze discoloration, particularly yung mga creases of the palms, their mucous membranes, as well as their nail beds. Kaya, I don't know if you appreciate at the back, yung nagkakaroon sila ng bronze discoloration, no? Of course, JFK has also yan, may Addison's disease din siya. So, what are the manifestations of patient with Addison's disease? So, kabalitaran ko ng Cushing's. Kasi in Cushing's, you have lots of cortisol. Dito, you have decreased cortisol. So, patients have what? They have muscle weakness, anorexia, they are emaciated, and there is dark pigmentation of the skin, particularly the knuckles, knees, elbows, and mucous membrane. Ito yung tawag na bronze discoloration. And also because of decrease in glucocorticoid, at the same time, they also have decrease in mineralocorticoid secretion, so nagkakaroon sila ng hypotension. And we all know that cortisols or glucocorticoids, di ba, enhances the glucose production of the liver, and as well as it increases lipolysis and protein catabolism. So, kung mababa ang cortisols mo, what happens? There will be decrease ang glucose production of the liver. That's why patients have what? Low blood glucose level because of the decrease in cortisol. And cortisol, again, increases hepatic gluconeogenesis. They also have what? Low serum sodium, di ba? Aside, sabi ko nga kanina, aside from the glucocorticoid that is depressed ang secretion, no, primarily, there is also depressed secretion of your mineralocorticoid. And we all know that mineralocorticoid is the aldosterone. And the aldosterone, what? It helps in sodium reabsorption. So whenever sodium goes, water follows. That's why patients have what? Hypotension because of hypovolemia, and they have low serum sodium. So, ano mangyayari? Tataas ang potassium. There will be high serum potassium, mental status, because diba, regulation of serum potassium excretion is also aldosterone. Aldosterone facilitates or enhances the excretion rather, of potassium. Since in patients with primary hypofunction, you have what? Depressed mineralocorticoid, kaya tumataas yung serum potassium. Maliwanag? Clear? Naintindihan, ha?